Now then, Brian, this is a bird call I haven't heard before in the garden. Well, whatever it is, there's two of them calling to each other. One in my garden and one in the orchard across. Now, the good thing is that Brian will know what they are. And I'll get on and feed the other birds and the fish before starting work again. It's just after 6 o'clock. Now then, Nate and Roy asked yesterday about, well, they basically said, asked what was the secret of a good lawn. There's millions of these fish now, and they're half breeding, which clearly means they're happy here. So Nathan and Roy asked about lawn. This needs cutting. Now, is that the bird up there on the wire? It's quite a large bird. Anyway, back to the lawn. Yeah, before the rains come, I normally give the grass a top dressing, and a top dressing is when you put some kind of fertilizer on top of the lawn and you effectively brush it in. Now, what I have done over the years, I've got like 50 bags of compost. This is a big lawn, don't forget. And then I scatter the compost out on top of the lawn. And then when the rains come and range it all in, it feeds the grass. Because grass is a plant, just like a flower. And it needs feeding if you want it to grow. Somebody asked, what was the fermenting fertilizer I have? Well, it's in this black 45-gallon drum. And I did make a video, but I haven't publicised it, so I'll put that on now, of making this fermented fertiliser. It's quite simple, and it's been fermenting for about 2.5 months. So here we go, coming up now. Good day, Sunday afternoon about 3 o'clock, and it's blisteringly hot. And I'm going to put in here, in this barrel of water, half a sack of cow waste. All where I come from, cow shit. Now then, it's best to put urine in, but I've only got a bit of urine, so I'm putting urea. A cup of urea, £2 a bag of flour. And a litre of black molasses, i.e. treacle. Now, I'm going to mix all this up in a moment, and this cow shit is going to ferment, and the treacle and the flour will provide food for the microbes, and the microbes will get on with breaking down this cow shit, and it will ferment over a month, 2 months. It doesn't much matter how long it takes. It's better at least a month, and then this will be a fertilizer that we use in the orchard, and the plants will love it. Reminds me of my mum making treacle toffee. We'll give it a good mix. And that'll get to work fermenting in this black barrel. It's a 200 litre barrel. There's probably 175 litres in here. I might top it up. There you go. Now then, we'll let Mother Nature do her work. Come back in a month. Nicely sealed, and nature will take its course. Now then, I was asked what the BT was that I sprayed the vines with, or the plants I didn't want eating, and this is it. That's it, BT. So there you go, farmyard manure, flour, treacle and urine, and it ferments into a fantastic liquid fertilizer, particularly for the fruit trees. So see you later, bye bye for now.